Good morning, students. So, in this is the last class for this lesson. Human beings are fascinating one. Human being is always try to understand the environment, nature, and the self-created world. So, human beings are social beings. The word sociology, it is derived from the two words. Socio means companion, logos means study or science. The total meaning of sociology is the study of social behavior. It is known as the sociology. So why we want to study the sociology? Because the sociology, it is one of the youngest branch of social science among all the social science. So its uses are universe. So which are the uses of sociology? The one, sociology studies human society scientifically, supplements the personality development, understanding social process, then aids to understanding social problems and their solution. Then sociology supports the effective implements of the development programs. Then who are the early sociologists? Auguste Comte is also known as the father of sociology. The second early sociologist is Karl Marx. Is also called as the founder of class struggle theory. Third one is Emile Durkheim. Is also called as the father of the development of sociology. Then the fourth important early sociologist is Max Weber. Then who are the important Indian sociologists? The one is Ambedkar, G.S. Gargi, M.N. Srinivas, C. Parvathamma, Airavati Karvi, and A.R. Desai are the prominent sociologists. In last class, I already explained Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, G.R. Gargi, and M.N. Srinivasa's life histories and achievement. In this class, I am going to explain about C. Parvathamma, Airavati Karvi, and A.R. Desai's life history and their achievement. C. Parvathamma. C. Parvathamma. C. Parvathamma. So, C. Parvathamma, she is one of the prominent contemporary sociologist from Karnataka, who is one of the prominent contemporary sociologist of Karnataka. C. Parvathamma is the prominent contemporary sociologist, contemporary sociologist of Karnataka. So C. Parvathamma, she is the prominent contemporary sociologist of Karnataka. She was born in Sagali village of present Davanagere district in June 1928. So when she was born June 1928 at Sagali village, present Davanagere district. So what was her education? She completed her education in a single teacher school at her village. Then high school education at ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವರು ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಅವರ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಪೂರೈಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದರ ಶಾಲೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ 1 to 4th ವರೆಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವರೇ 1ರಿಂದ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನ ಏಕೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಶಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಹರ್ primary education at her village in a single teacher school. Then she completed her high school at Davangere. So she completed her high school education. She completed high school education at Davangere, at Davangere. Then she finished intermediate education in Maharani College, Mysore. She completed intermediate education in Maharani College, Mysore. In Maharani College, Mysore, she earned the first rank. She earned first rank. She earned the first rank in the BA honors. In BA honors, she earned the first rank in the BA honors. Then she sustained her entire education on scholarship. A professor guided her to continue education in a foreign university. So these are the life history of C. Parvatama. C. Parvatama. She is one of the prominent contemporary sociologists of Karnataka. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬರು. She was born 1928 at the Sayahalli village at present Davanagere district. ಇವರು ಜೂನ್ 1928ರಲ್ಲಿ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯ ಸೈಯಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. Then she completed her primary education in her village in a single school, in a single teacher school. Then she completed her high school education at Davangere, and she completed her intermediate education in Maharani College, Mysuru. Then she earned the first rank in BA honors. BA honors ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ವೇತನದಿಂದಲೇ ಪೂರೈಸ್ತಾರೆ. She sustained her entire education with the help of the scholarship, and a professor guided her to continue her education in foreign university. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ವಿದೇಶಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಪೂರೈಸ್ತಾರೆ. So next I am going to explain about her achievement. What are her achievements? What are the achievements of C. Parvatama? Achievements of C. Parvatama. She is the prominent contemporary. She is the prominent contemporary sociologist of Karnataka. She gave up difficult situation. And with a lot of determination, became one of the leading sociologists of India. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಂತವರು ಅನೇಕ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಸಿ ಲೇಟ್ ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಭಾರತದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಉನ್ನತ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ವತಮ್ಮ ಆರ್. What are the main works of Parvatama? One is politics and religion. Second one is sociological essay on Veerashaivism. Sociological essays essays on Veerashaivism, etc. ವೀರಶೈವಿಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಇವರ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕೃತಿಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್, ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ sociological essay on Veerashaivism, etc. are the important works of C. Parvatama. Got it? C. Parvatama, she is one of the prominent contemporary sociologists of Karnataka. She was born in June 1928 at Sadihalli village at present Davanagere district. She completed her primary education in her own village in a single teacher school. She completed her high school education at Davanagere, and she completed her intermediate education in Maharani College, Mysuru. She earned the first rank in BA Honours. She sustained his complete entire education with the help of the scholarship. A professor guided to her to complete his higher education in a foreign university. Then she is one of the prominent sociologists of India and Karnataka. She braved up a difficult situation with a lot of determination. ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾಯಿತು, became one of the leading sociologists of India. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಂಥವರು ಅವರ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಭಾರತದ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ವತಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ politics and religion, sociological essay on Veerashaivism are the important works. Then another important India's sociologists are Airavati Karve. Airavati Karve. Airavati Karve. Airavati Karve. So Airavati Karve is recognized as the prominent sociologist of India. So Airavati Karve, she recognized sociologist, one of the important prominent sociologist, one of the prominent sociologist of India. So Airavati Karve recognized as one of the prominent sociologists of India. So she was the student of G.S. Gargi. Who is the teacher of Airavati Karve? G.S. Gargi. G.S. Gargi is the teacher of Airavati Karve. Airavati Karve was the student of G.S. Gargi, and she is the daughter-in-law of famous social reformist Maharishi Karve, and had concerned the social and national issues. So iವರು G.S. Gargi ಅವರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರಿಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಕರ್ವಿ ಅವರ ಸೊಸೆಯಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಐರಾವತಿ ಕರ್ವಿ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ sociologist of India. His teacher was G.S. Gargi, and she is also the daughter-in-law of one of the social reformer Maharishi Karve, and had concern in social and national issues. So what was her education? Her education is she had MA from Bombay University. He earned MA degree. From Bombay University. So he earned the MA degree from the Bombay University. Next important achievement. He worked at Pune College as a professor. She worked as a professor at Pune College. at the Pune College. Then the main important works of G.S. Airavati Karvi. Important works are Airavati Karvi are kingship and organization in India. Organization in India. The second work is Indian society. The third one is institutions and relationship. Are the main works of Airavati Karvi. Got it? Airavati Karvi is recognized as one of the prominent sociologists of India. Her teacher is G.S. Gargi. And she is also the daughter-in-law of one of the Indian social reformist Maharishi Karvi. She earned the MA degree from Bombay University. She worked as a professor in Pune College. The main works of Airavati Karvi are kingship and organization in India, Indian society. Next one, institution and relationship are the main works. Next, another important Indian sociologist is A.R. Desai. Who is another important Indian sociologist? A.R. Desai. A.R. Desai, his full name is Akshay Ramlal Desai. So A.R. Desai. His full name is Akshay Ramlal Desai. His full name is Akshay Ramlal Desai. So what is the full name of A.R. Desai? His full name is Akshay Ramlal Desai. So A.R. Desai is one of the important among the prominent sociologists of India. So now we are generated. A.R. Desai is also one of the prominent sociologists of India. A.R. Desai is also one of the important or prominent sociologists of India. So he worked as the UGC National Fellow and as head of the Department of Sociology of Bombay University. So ಇವರು UGC National Fellow ಅಲ್ಲೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ HOD, it means head of the department. She worked as the head of the Department of Sociology in Bombay University. So he worked as HOD of Sociology Department. Sociology Department in Bombay University. So she was in Bombay University. He was born in 1915. He was born in 1915, and he is the student of G.S. Gargi. And he became head of the same department. And as he was following the Marxist sociology in his sociological student. So in his sociological student, he was following the Marxist ideologist. He was following the Marxist ideology in the sociological studies. In the sociological studies, he was identified as Marxist sociologist, as as a Marxist, sociologist or Marxist sociologist. Got it? So this is our life history. So A.R. Desai, his full name is Akshay Ramnath Desai. He is one of the prominent sociologists of India. So he is worked as a HOD of Sociology Department in Bombay University. He was born in 1951. He is the student of G.S. Gargi. Later he became the HOD of the same department. Then he was following the Marxist Marxist ideology. He was identified as the Marxist sociologist. What was this works? What are the important works of A.R. Desai? One is Indian rural sociology. One is Indian rural sociology. Second one is slums and urbanization. Slums and urbanization. Slums and urbanization are the main works of A.R. Desai. What are the main works of A.R. Desai? Indian rural society. And slums and urbanization are the main works of A.R. Desai. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ಹೊಸ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ದಿನ ಏನು 3 ಜನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.R. Ambedkar, G.S. Gargi, M.N. Srinivas, C. Parvathamma, Airavati Karvi and A.R. Desai. So C. Parvathamma, she is one of the contemporary prominent sociologist of Karnataka. She was born in Sayagali village of present Davanagere district in June 1928. She completed her primary education in her own village in a single teacher school. Then he completed her high school education in Davanagere. And he passed his intermediate education in Maharani College, Mysore. He had earned the first rank in BA honors. She sustained his entire education by the scholarship. A professor is guided to her to complete her higher education in foreign university. So she gave up a difficult situation with a lot of determination, became one of the leading sociologists of India. Her main work are politics and religion, sociological essay on Veerashaivism. Next, Airavati Karvi. Airavati Karvi is recognized as the prominent sociologist of India. She was the student of G.S. Gargi, and she is also daughter-in-law of one of the Indian social reformist Maharishi Karvi, and he concerned the social and national issues. She had earned MA from Bombay University. She worked as a professor at Pune College. So her main works are kinship and organization in India, then Indian society, institution and relationship. Next one is A.R. Desai. A.R. Desai's full name is Akshay Ramnath Desai. He is also one of the prominent sociologists of India, and he worked as a HOD of Sociology Department in Bombay University. He was born in 1951. He is also the student of G.S. Gargi, and he was following the Marxist ideology. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ ತತ್ವ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್. Then the main work of A.R. Desai are Indian rural society and slums and urbanization. So thank you. See you in the next class.